derailed in the Portuguese capital has risen to 16. It's believed the tram lost control and struck a building at a popular tourist spot in Lisbon. The Department of Foreign Affairs said it's not aware of any Irish citizens affected. Portugal is observing a national day of mourning.
There are no words for such pain. That's how the Mayor of Lisbon today reflected on the deadly funicular crash that has left his city in mourning. Emergency crews remain at the scene of the mangled wreckage as they continue to establish.
This is an emergency broadcast from RTE. Pay attention as this message will provide information your life may depend on. We have received information from our government that the Israeli government, Benjamin Netanyahu, has sent out approximately 24 missile attacks across the country. Please stay indoors for your own safety. There will be a map of the locations where the missiles will hit. Main cities the missiles will hit are Dublin, Dingle, Roscommon, Newry, Drogheda, Belfast, Omagh, Newtown Abbey, Dundalk, Enniskillen. We wish you good luck and stay indoors until it's safe to do so.